Showing you how to install Kali Linux on Virtualbox, Kali Linux 2.0 on Virtualbox 5.0. First of all, you got to grab, it depends on Ubuntu or whatever you are using. You come to virtualbox.com, linuxvirtualbox.com right here, and you grab, I'm using 16.04. So I grabbed the AMD 64 or the i3A4. So I already got that installed on my computers already. So we're gonna back up this process. And today you are listening to Liking It Digital. So join us and subscribe. So we're gonna show you how to install Kali Linux on Virtualbox. So I already got the ISO file on Kali Linux that you can see right here. So come to Virtualbox, you type Kali Linux, you type Kali Linux 2.0. You keep the tab of Linux because you run Linux. You come down to Debian 64. You click next. I always make sure I give mine at least 2 gig of RAMs. So I'm gonna give mine 2 gig of RAMs. I click next. Click next on Visual Hard Drive now. Leave it at default. Leave it at dynamic. Look at it. Most of the time I keep mine as a full 40 gigabyte because in case I want to download some password cracking, you can leave it at 20, whatever percentage you want to give it. But I'm gonna do a 40 in case I want to download some password. Let's go back. Next. Okay, that's 40 gig. Click create, and you start. You come down to look for the iOS file that you just downloaded. So you look for the iOS file, which is the AMD 64 iOS file. You click on that, and you click open. You click start. Install. English, United States. I mean America, so I mean America English. This process don't take too long, so bear with me as this process go forward. And this is the process in which you install Kali Linux on Virtualbox. The host name I leave it as Kali. Continue. The root just leave it as a default. The default password for root is backward, which is spelled TOOR. So you click continue. Spell it again, TOOR. You can change your password every time you want to. I'm in Central. I'm gonna click Central since I'm in Minnesota. Use the entire disk. Enter all files. Finish partition. You ready? You gotta click yes. I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna come back when the system is installing. The download is completed, so excuse me. So now you come back to select no, press enter. Select yes to install the grub bootloader. Come down to the bottom with the ATA VBox add disk. Press enter. Press continue. Yeah, everybody know the username is root. Press enter, and the password is the backwards of root, which is TTOR. Now, so you come to Kali Linux, you press the eyes whistle, and come to Kali Linux website and trying to grab the Kali Linux repertoire. Click on the first one. You come down and grab this package, which you can see right here, repertoire. You grab the debit package. You copy it. You exit off. The website. You open a terminal and you paste. Each time you paste in, you go to sudo nano ets/apt/sources.list. You come down, you press Control Shift V, Control Shift O, you press enter and press Control Shift X to exit. Now you type sudo apt get update. You press enter. Now you come to the device and insert additional CD image. You click cancel. Now you come and run sudo bash / media / cd-rom 0 / capital V capital B box Linux capital L INUX dash addiction capital A DDITION dot run. Press enter. This is where I get stuck. Press enter. So I'm back. So now you go and shut down the computer. So power off. Then it's time to configure the box configuration. Press settings, go to advanced, bi-directional. This is a process in which you you can do a clip art that you can set up copy and paste and drag and paste. So description, encryption, display. I use the old thing 128. This is mostly for Windows. They enable 3D accelerations and the 2D acceleration videos. Mostly it's for Windows, so we're not going to deal with them with Kali Linux. Remote display, we don't need to enable servers. Video captures, we don't need it at all. So that will come to the system. In the system, we got the processors. I'm going to go ahead and give it 2 processors. I'm going to enable the PAE/NX. I'm going to enable that. The accelerators is in default. You don't need to legalize it or minimize it, upper vision. We don't need that. We're just going to our default settings. I'll click OK. And now we're going to click Start. Now you re-enter the root, the username. Now the password is the backwards. Now you come down to the files and you inject the CDs. You close that. So the next process is going to start from so this is it. This is how you create Kali Linux in Virtualbox. So to one problem, I couldn't fix the view in the visual screen. I couldn't resize it, but as you can see, the process is pretty easy. I got it at 1027 768. I want to do 720, but it won't allow me to resize it. Hopefully I can get it done by tomorrow, but this is how Kali Linux works in Virtualbox. You can click on websites. The rest is history. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this installation, and I'm gonna call it a night. Turn the power off. And run by Kali Linux. Now I'm gonna show you how to do a snapshot. Mostly snapshot is for recovery. If you mess up in your Kali Linux, you want to come back to the original state, you can do a snapshot. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a snapshot. Click on the icon. I'm gonna name it initial 1. I'm gonna press OK. So we got a snapshot in this location. You can also clone it as well. So but you gotta make sure the power is off to do initial setup in Virtualbox. So this is Likening Digital coming to you live. This is a tutorial from installing Kali Linux into Virtualbox 5.0. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like it, watch our videos, and leave comments. We'll be coming to you, showing you how to do OpenSUSE, Pirates, Black Eye Linux, Arch Linux, Server 2012, 2013. Hope you like the video. Leave a comment. We'll be coming at you on Facebook, Twitter as well. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.